Choosing a mounting hardware supplier for your residential rooftop installation can be quite the challenge. First, you must determine the right equipment for your customer's roof. Do they have a shingled roof, metal roof, or a tiled roof? Which hardware is needed for the job? Even then, you have to find a supplier that has the product in stock and can deliver when you need it. There's no need to keep shopping vendors. Let QuickBOLT prove we're the best choice to become your preferred mounting supplier. Since 2010, we've been providing solar installers with mounting hardware to make solar more affordable. Our mounting solutions are designed to reduce your crew's time on the roof. No more complicated or wasteful hardware. Our patented QuickBOLT mounting kit for asphalt shingle roofs can save you 50% on hardware costs and even reduce install time by 1/3. The process is simply drill, seal, and mount. It's that easy. Best of all, an entire job's worth of QuickBOLTs can be held in just 2 hands. Lowering labor costs is only important if the product works. QuickBOLT is the world's first UL-certified microflashing, and over 600,000 have been installed across the US with 0 leaks. So, whether you are looking to reduce install time or lower labor costs, QuickBOLT can help make you money. Try QuickBOLT on your next job and order online, or ask about us at your local distributor.